In this video I'll show you a kind of a screen light, a display light. If you have a display on your desk and you want to have a light on your keyboard, and this is the option Lagergang. They're really funny with the names. These are Swedish common things named into IKEA products, so maybe this means light for the screen in Swedish, I don't know. Oops, the thing fell out, and yeah, it's not very, I don't know, it's not very well stabilized there on the screen, and it only seems to have one position. I don't know, I really don't understand why I would need this thing like this. Maybe to show the dust on the screen, because if you use a light like this on top of the screen, you will have a light that will show you every speck of dust that you have on the screen, including the keyboard. So yeah, it will put some light on your desk. So that's, I guess this is the main purpose of this. But if you need a light on your desk, you could simply use a desk lamp. They have many kind of desk lamps, very simple ones, but this one is more uniform. So yeah, I guess this is the reason for buying a light like this. This light is 25 euros, so I'm not sure if it's a good deal or no. It's maximum 4.4 watts. It's written there that it's adjustable, but I didn't find a way to adjust it. Maybe it's adjustable through that wireless system, the smart home system. I'm not sure about that. Maybe it has somewhere an adjusting knob or something, but I couldn't see it. CRI 90. I didn't see it flicker, so that's good. Usually the lights in IKEA flicker a lot. I don't know why they keep making lights that flicker. Yeah, when I go to IKEA for lights, I'm always very careful that I don't buy something that flickers. It's also the ambient light here that flickers. They have some fluorescent lights above still, and maybe they're not fluorescent, maybe it's something else. So here I wanted to make sure that this light doesn't flicker, and the flicker I see is from the overhead lights, and that's true. You see there is no flicker from this light, so the quality of the light looks pretty good. I don't know the use of it, if it's much more useful. Write in the comments what you would use this light for. Thanks for watching, I hope this helps you.